Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. I think ADA is also coming down here, obviously, in this wave 2 correction, but I think this move down is nearly complete. I think it's nearly complete. Maybe one more wave down, and I think it has a good chance at least to reverse back to the upside. An ideal target for that would be that 48.6 cent level that I have on the chart here. Yeah, that's one way of looking at it. That's also the 61.8% fib level. Yes, it can drop lower. It can do that in a wave 2, but this is the area where with the highest likelihood you would expect the price to reverse back to the upside. So let's take a look at some of the indicators here. On the 4-hour chart, well, we're not oversold yet, so technically it has a little bit more scope to drop. And also, as I mentioned in various crypto videos now, as long as you are still below this trend line, there is no sign that we are reversing back to the upside. Okay, so there's a few things here to mention. A wave 2 can go lower. A wave 2 can technically go all the way down to 45 cents. Yeah, not that I want it to go that much, but it can. So this is currently how I have the retracements. So the 61.8% fib level is actually 49.1 cent, but I think we defined this area here at 48.5, 48.6 based on the length of the wave A and the length of the wave C. Now, if we don't stop there, then we are probably going to come down to the next fib level at 47.3. The difficult thing here with ADA is at the moment that there are a couple of ways of counting this. So another way, so this is how we counted at the moment, that this was the wave 1 and we're now coming down in ABC. The other way of counting, and I had it on the chart before and that's still valid, is that this was the wave high and we had an overshooting wave B. Okay. The thing is, if we have an overshooting wave B, we can count very nicely in this C wave 5 waves down. So one, a 2, then this was on the 4-hour chart. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. Just start again. So that this here was the 1, this the 2 in a nice 3-wave move. We came down in a 3, which I think 3, A, B, C, 4, and we're now in the 5th wave here. Yeah, so target for the 5th wave, yeah, what would it be? We can calculate that based on the length of the wave 1. 47.9. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I will extend this area a little bit further down because this is an absolute valid target. If we don't stop here, we have to assume that we will come down in the worst case here to the 1.618 extension of the wave 1, but that's 45.6 cents. That would be quite a lot. So if we don't find support in this area, then we have to assume we go down lower, of course. And these are the ideal areas that I have just given you here. Next one to look out for, 48.6 cents and then 47.9. And if we even lose that, then we just have to wait and see until we get back above this channel and until wave 2 is over. Again, the only level that is currently protecting here this imminently bullish scenario for ADA is a move above 45 cents. So I'm currently waiting for another entry point. As I mentioned in the last few videos, I've sold my my long position that I entered here. Yeah, with I believe, well, I sold it, I split it into 2 positions and sold both in profit. Now I'm waiting here for the re-entry because we are now below the selling price for both of these positions. So I'll use my profits to reinvest here into ADA. Just waiting here for a positive signal, which I haven't seen yet. So it's currently coming further down. Still red candles here. Again, the levels to watch out for: 48.6. 47.9, and then here 45.6, 45.7 down here. But before that, we've got the 78.6% fib level. I want to mention that as well. That is moving now slightly. It depends. I don't at the moment know what is the right. Is this the right wave count to assume this is wave 1, or is it this one? So that's just what we need to wait and see. Yeah, it's a bit hard to say really. So because in this scenario, the 78.6% FIB level is at 47.1. In this scenario, it's at 47.4. It doesn't make a great difference, but all I can really say, wait for a signal. Best signal would be, or the quickest signal, the one that you get earliest, will be the move above that descending trend line, and then an even better signal would be a move above the previous wave 4 high, that is at 51.6 cents. Okay, and that's my current update about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.